So here's how to not lag in Roblox Mobile. As you can see, we're currently in the Roblox application. Once you're here, you need to scroll down and open any game from here. Tap on the play button below. So once you're in the game, go to the top left corner and tap on the Roblox icon. Now, you need to go to the settings section. After that, scroll down to the graphics mode option and change it to manual. Then, go to the graphics quality option below and lower the quality as shown. This will help the app to run faster and more smoothly. So depending on your device, if it is a low-end device or an older phone, make sure to lower the quality accordingly. And that's it. Following these simple steps, you can go ahead and easily prevent Roblox Mobile from lagging.